How to enable Bitcoin wallet in Cash App. Welcome, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Cash App in your mobile device. Make sure it is up to date and you are logged in into your account. To enable your Bitcoin wallet, just tap on or navigate to the Money tab that is at the bottom left corner. After which you will get the option to tap on the Bitcoin tile, which gonna look something like this. Look for the option labeled as Enable Bitcoin or Enable Withdrawals and Deposit. It might differ according to your app version. Just tap on it to activate and follow any of the on-screen instruction that is required. That is how you'll be able to enable your Bitcoin wallet in Cash App. After which you'll be able to withdraw, deposit your Bitcoin as well. You can also check out for the market value of your Bitcoin currently after you have successfully enabled it in your Cash App. Wasn't it such a quick and easy process? And it's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found it helpful and informative to you.